What is up everyone, this is Joseph. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am talking about TikTok and specifically how to effectively monetize this platform. So if you're someone out there that is looking to create a new revenue stream for your business and you're thinking TikTok will be the right one for you, well, stay there and keep on watching as I give you the right strategy to monetize your profile in 4 ways. Keep on watching. Welcome back to a new episode of Joe TV, the place for new coaches, content creators, and entrepreneurs. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Joseph. I am a marketing and branding coach, and I'm here to help you to up-level your brand and business online. If you're looking for tips, tricks, and hacks on how to upscale your business through social media marketing and personal branding, well, you are in the right place. As each and every week, I share a new action-based strategies to really help you to take your business to the next level online. So do yourself a favor, hit the button subscribe, make sure you turn on the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. Here we are. So I am currently in Italy, so if you see a different location on my video, well, you see a different location pretty much all the time now because I am kind of like a gypsy. I'm moving house all the time, then I'm traveling, so you never see the same living room. Here we are. So we are in my mom's house, so if you see a different sofa, that's why. And if you hear some kind of, Latino Italian music, that's my neighbor that is having a dance. Just saying. Anyway, let's go back to the topic. So a few days ago on Instagram, which is here by the way if you want to follow me, just saying, and you can actually follow me on TikTok as well. I was talking about monetization on TikTok. TikTok is a great platform to be right now. It actually got to 2 billion users last month, which is crazy. And although it is a super controversial platform right now due to the privacy, and if you want to know more about that, stay there for next week's video as I'm going to dive in even more about this. It is a very good platform to monetize from a perspective of content creation. If you're someone out there that is looking to add a new revenue stream to your business and you're thinking TikTok will be the right way to go forward, well, stay there as I'm sharing 4 tips that you can use to monetize your TikTok straight away. Let's dive in. So point number 1 is TikTok Live. Now, if you don't know, you actually can get paid to be live on TikTok, which is something that already happens on Twitch. If you don't know what Twitch is and you want to know more about it, make sure you leave me a comments below and I will ensure that I create a video for you. However, when it comes to TikTok Live, this is a great way to start to monetize your profile. And if you're someone that has a business and you're looking to launch a new product or service and you are thinking of doing it slightly differently, well, TikTok Live could be your answer. Lots of creators and entrepreneurs are using TikTok Live as a way to launch a new collection, for instance. You can come out with a new offer that you make available only for people that come from the live broadcasting. And the great opportunity that you have here, you can actually link your website or your profile where people can complete the purchase. You can give a specific voucher or a specific discount that they can use only if they join the live. And this is a great way for you to actually answer to some of the most popular questions that you might get about your product and services. This is a great way for you to actually connect with your audience and at the same time really address some of the concerns that people might have before they buy. And if you're someone out there that is thinking of creating something that an extra point of bonus, you can create some available bonus that you can give only if they join the live. So that's point number 1 for you. So tip number 2 is definitely the account sale. If you're someone out there looking to grow an account and you are looking to get it to a certain number, this is a great way to monetize it. This is a trend that it's already happening on Instagram. People do create accounts from scratches. They create a very loyal following. They grow a very loyal following. And then they decide to sell this account for quite a bit of money actually. And this is a great way if you are someone that is looking to monetize straight away, or if you're someone that is looking to buy an account. There are tons of websites that you can go from and you can get an account with already 500K followers, 1 million followers, and these followers are already on the niche that you're looking to target with your business, and therefore you're going to be able to convert them into clients easier. Now, why somebody should buy from you if you bought the account yourself? Well, it's very simple. Normally when people buy from Instagram, they are following someone for the advice and the solution that this person provides or this business provides. So as long as the solution is there and you give them what they want, that shouldn't be an issue. I personally disagree with this strategy. It's one of the strategies that I wanted to list because it's definitely happening as we speak, but I wouldn't sell my account personally. However, life is freedom, so you can choose whatever you prefer, but this is another way for you to monetize. Point number 3 is donation. Now, when it comes to TikTok, I find this particular feature within the platform fascinating, as this is essentially already a built-in monetization system that you can use as you go live, and you can definitely turn those views into coins. Now, why do I say coins? Coins is the way that TikTok has to actually turn the monetization on. People can pay you a certain amount of coins for the content that you create. And if you're someone that is, walking the extra mile for the content that you create on TikTok, this is a great way for you to actually get paid for it. If you go online and you look at the TikTok influencers, they go live pretty much every day to ensure that each and every view that they get turned into money. And if you're someone out there that is able to deliver consistency as well as quality, this success is guaranteed. So go live and try the donation as well. Point number 4 is management services. Now, management services are already very popular when it comes to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and when it comes to TikTok, there are so many people out there that have millions and millions of followers, and they don't really know how to handle the day-to-day activity when it comes to the platform. If you're someone that is not really looking to be an influencer, but still really likes the TikTok world and the social media world, you can actually charge for take control of the creators up in their behalf. Point number 4 is management services. Now, when it comes to TikTok, as it happens on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, when you are a creator with so many followers, it's really hard to keep up with all the daily activities on the platform. Therefore, it's time for you to have a social media manager or a social media executive. And if you're someone out there that is not interested in being an influencer, but you still like the social media world, this is a great job that you can create from scratches. When I started, I was working as a digital creator as well as being a social media manager and creating content and managing content for other people. This is a great way for you to understand different perspectives within the job and also understand the whole process and flow within content creation. I started to manage one account and then I go up to 10, and therefore a few years later I actually opened an agency where we do social media management and other services as well. So it's really, really amazing what you can do based on one service that can turn into many more services, and then you can get a team to do for you. So this is a very great trick, and also one of the most powerful to really turn your side hustle as a business. So keep this one in mind. Point number 5, it's an extra point that I wanted to share in the video, and this is about consulting. Now, if you're someone that is really rocking social media and you're not interested to do it for yourself, but you know exactly what it takes to actually get the strategy right, get the content right, get the growth right, you can charge for this service as a separate thing. So if you're someone out there that is looking to monetize their social media, it doesn't actually have to be on paid collaboration due to content creation. It can be also related to service creation. So if you're someone that is knowing how to grow an account, whether that is Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, you know the strategy behind it, you know how to make this account get to a certain level, you can charge for this service separately. And you can use your social media as a way to reach more people and to get more leads and clients. So this is a great way for you to really be able to turn those followers into leads and clients. Now here's the question for you. Have you monetized your TikTok just yet? If you haven't, make sure you try one of these tips that I just shared with you and let me know on the comments below what you think. And if you want more tips and tricks and hacks and you're looking to get actually a strategy to increase your leads, I will leave you on the description below a link to download my free 20-step guide to increase your leads, followers and sales through social media marketing. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you same time, same place next week.